We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, right outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. And today we're going to be looking at this 8.5 by 16 I-beam Deckover trailer. In the front, we have an adjustable coupler with safety chains. There's a heavy-duty ram jack. There's the trailer brake cable. On the back of it, we have a chain basket. There's also a spare tire mount. Right next to it, we have a breakaway battery box. This trailer also has an 8-inch I-beam frame. The floor is made of pressure treated pine wood. We have D-rings and stake pockets on both sides. This trailer is supported by two 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch rims. In the center, there is a removable rubber centerpiece to grease the axles. Behind the trailer, we have a dovetail. On the back, we have two 5-foot ramps. And holding up these ramps, there's a bar with 2 pins. These ramps are adjustable for your towing desires. Behind the driver's side, there is a license plate light and 2 bolts for the license plate. This trailer also has LED brake lights. There is reflection tape on both sides. And if y'all have any questions, please give us a call at 615-641-7720. Have a great day.